Whether you know it or not, your factory speakers more than likely sound like absolute hot garbage. But don't stress, Pioneer makes upgrading them on a budget easy with their TS-A1680F 6.5-inch 4-way coaxial speakers. Unfortunately, most amateurs often neglect to upgrade their factory speakers. 6.5-inch speakers are the most common size in vehicles, so they should fit in most applications. If not, the included speaker adapter plates will come in handy. These 4-ohm 4-way speakers are an excellent starter speaker, consisting of a 6.5-inch woofer, 1 5/8-inch mid-range, and dual super tweeters, altogether boasting a very solid 80 watts RMS of power. The best way to maximize their performance is a solid amplifier. I don't recommend using the factory head unit of your 92 Honda Civic to power the speakers, but if that's all you have, it will have to work. Pioneer's open and smooth concept provides an open sound stage and smooth transitions between mid-bass and tweeter for a truly immersive experience that provides the ultimate in-car sound. The speakers come with two 6.5-inch multi-fit adapters, which extend flexibility, improve acoustic performance, and ensure an easy installation. Besides the adapter plates, the speakers come with optional metal mesh grills, 2 lengths of speaker wire, and installation hardware. The TS-A1680Fs hit a very wide range of audio with a frequency response of 36 Hz to 25,000 Hz. That's why aftermarket speakers are so important. The improved sound quality gives a much broader range of frequencies, so you don't lose all of those details in your music you simply can't get with factory speakers and their frequency range and subpar dispersion patterns. And those are the compliments. New speakers change the way your system sounds. Use Pioneer's Car Sound Fit app to simulate the difference between original car speakers compared to Pioneer's TS-A1680Fs. The carbon and mica reinforced polypropylene cones combined with the elastic polymer surround create a durable and reliable speaker to stand the test of time. The A-series speakers provide seamless and smooth sound characteristics with dynamic, high-impact bass. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.